In Rwanda, for many children, going to school is not guaranteed. Behind every school uniform, there is a story of resilience, of struggle, and of hope. At Inkuruzabato community-based organization, we believe education is more than just access. It's dignity, it's confidence, it's the freedom to dream. That's why the 500 to School and Meal project exists. Through our Intaramirwa program, we support vulnerable children in public schools across Nyamata sector in Bugesera district. These children face real challenges: poverty, unstable homes, lack of basic needs, and yet they show extraordinary strength. Our approach is simple but powerful. We don't just send children to school, we walk with them. Every month, our team visits schools, follow their progress, speak with teachers, and make sure no child is forgotten. We also work with parents because change doesn't start in the classroom alone, it starts at home. But education is not only about books, it's also about healing, expression, and joy. Through dance, through group activities, children find their voice again. They rebuild confidence, they rediscover what it means to just be children. And beyond all of this, we build something even bigger: a community. Volunteers, partners, supporters standing together, not just helping children, but believing in them as future leaders. Every year, we gather for a solidarity celebration, a moment where children, families, schools, and partners come together to celebrate progress, to celebrate dignity, to celebrate humanity. And still, we go further. Through the Girubuntunawe Program, we reach children in hospitals, those often forgotten, bringing comfort, care, and support. Through Abatisi camps, we strengthen community bonds and ensure that no child is left behind. At Inkuruzabato, we do more than just support children. We invest in their future, we restore dignity, we build hope. Because when a child goes to school with confidence, with support, with a sense of belonging, we are not just changing one life, we are transforming a generation. In Girubuntunawe, together we stand for every child.